Okay guys, so before I get started, I want to give a big thank you to Vanlov Hair for sending me this unit. This is their water curly frontal unit in the length 24 inches. All the info and links will be in the description box. Hello my internet sisters, cousins, brothers, and friends. My name is Makayla, MaShelle if you're new here, and if not, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get this fiery orange, super fun, hot girl fall, yes ma'am, hair color. So if you guys would like to see, be sure to stay on tuned because it's coming up. It's literally the next clip. Like, just give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Okay, so to start off this process, I'm going to begin by bleaching it. Now, I actually bleached this hair once before, or maybe it was twice. Honestly, I was trying to go for like this honey brown highlight look. It kind of didn't go so well because I messed up. So that's why I decided to color it this color. So if you guys want to see the first process, if I can find the clips, I'll make like an unlisted video and leave the link in the description box. So if you see the link there now, then go ahead and watch it if you want to. If not, comment down below and tell me, hey, you want it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna section it off, put bleach on it, and then wrap it in aluminum foil just to help it process faster.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this.
Okay, so here you can see how there's such a like severe color difference in sections because of how I was trying to dye it previously. So that's why throughout me bleaching the hair, you can see me like purposefully like skip sections. Yeah, honestly, this isn't the best bleach, but it worked out well because it gave me like some low lights, some highlights, you know, it all worked. It was super cute, you know.
And I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah, I don't want no other. 'Cause it's with you that I belong. But at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes
so when putting the hair into the dye, I slowly dipped it in just because the water was super hot and I was kind of scared. It did help distribute the color like onto all of the strands though. I didn't want to just like drop it in there. And that's also why I combed it later on, just to like make sure that, you know, the color got onto all of the strands and everything like that. And then I let it sit in the water dye for about 15 minutes.
Just like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, 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 I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just let me like you do. Oh, let me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted. You're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it.
Alrighty, you guys, thanks so much for tuning into my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something and you guys decide to try this out yourselves. If you do, be sure to send them to me or tag me in the post so I can repost them and share them with my followers as well. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. More hair color videos from me, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, let's focus. Okay, nope, that curl's a little ugly. I can see it.